Hi, welcome to Richard Gabili YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to change activity container descriptions in VoiceOver on iPhone X. But first, can you subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start! Using your iPhone X, from your home screen first, go to Settings. Then in the Settings, scroll down and find the Accessibility, then tap. Then after that, in the Accessibility, go to Vision section and then tap the VoiceOver. Then in the VoiceOver, scroll down and then tap the Activities. Then in your Activities, tap your activity. Then in your activity, scroll down and go to Verbosity Settings section and then tap the Container Descriptions. Then in the Container Descriptions, if you want to change it to Speak, just tap the Speak until there's a check mark on the side. And if you want to change it to Play Sound, just tap it also. And if you want to change it to Change Pitch, just tap it until there's a check mark on the side. And you can also change it to Do Nothing. And if you want to change it to Default Container Descriptions, just tap again the Default. Just like this. And that's it, we have successfully changed activity container descriptions in VoiceOver on iPhone X. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching!